tan inverse of tan inverse of 1 upon square root of cos alpha minus tan inverse of square root of cos alpha is equals to x. By using tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse of x plus minus, it is in the form of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Using this formula, tan inverse of, we can write that above equation, tan inverse of 1 by root of cos alpha minus root of cos alpha by 1 plus 1 by root of cos alpha into root of cos alpha is equals to x. If you transfer that x, we get, so transfer tan x, tan y will become tan x. So from this, while taking LCM, so tan inverse of 1 minus cos x, root x into root x, that is 1 minus cos x by, these two get cancelled, 1 plus 1 2 root cos alpha is equals to x, which implies 1 minus cos alpha by 2 root cos alpha is equals to tan x. This is the value of tan x. Now cot x is equals to, or cot x is equals to, or cot inverse x or cot x. Cot x is equals to 2 square root of cos x by 1 minus cos alpha. By using right angle triangle, so tan x is, this is the x angle, 1 minus cos alpha, 1 minus cos alpha, 2 square root of cos alpha. So this will be 1 plus cos alpha. By applying Pythagoras theorem, you get 1 plus cos alpha is the hypotenuse. So therefore, sin x is equals to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus, or 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. So we know that sin x is equals to 1 minus cos is 2 sin square alpha by 2. 1 plus cos is 2 cos square alpha by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Finally, you get tan square alpha by 2. So therefore, the value of sin x is equals to tan square alpha by 2. This is the answer. Tan square alpha by 2. Next problem. The domain of the function f of x is equals to sine inverse of x minus 3 by square root of 9 minus x square is sine inverse of x minus 3 by square root of 9 minus x square. We know that solution. We need to find the domain. We know the domain of sine inverse x is minus 1 comma 1. So therefore we know that sine inverse of x domain is x belongs to minus 1 comma 1. So it means that is minus 1 less than or equals to x minus 3 less than or equals to 1. Less than or equals to 1. So adding plus 3 on both sides. So this will be 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 4. So therefore for this case we will get x belongs to 2 comma 4. Second case, denominator is under root denominator is 9 minus x square is greater than 0. So 9 minus x square is greater than 0, then x square is greater than 9. So x belongs to minus 3 comma 3. By combining these two intervals, open intervals, combining these two intervals, therefore x belongs to 2 comma open 3. So this is 2, 4, minus 3, 3. So 2 comma 4 is closed interval and minus 2 to open 3. So therefore the common reason is 2 comma 3 open. So therefore the domain of the function is f of x is x belongs to square close 2 comma open 3. Close 2 comma open 3. So this is the problem. Now we'll discuss that. Third, even this is asked in 2007. The largest interval lying in open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 for which the function f of x is equals to 4 power minus x square plus cos inverse of x by 2 minus 1 plus log of cos x is the largest interval of this function domain. It means common domain. between the minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 of the function. This is 2007 JEE mains problem. Solution is, so given that f of x is equals to 4 power minus x square plus cos inverse of x by 2 minus 1 plus log of cos x. Log of cos x. So we know that cos inverse x lies between minus 1 comma 1. Domain is minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 less than or equals to x by 2 minus 1 less than or equals to 1. And cos x is greater than 0. Cos x is greater than 0. Cos x is greater than 0. So from this, adding plus 1 on both sides. So this will be 0 less than or equals to x by 2 less than or equals to 2. If we multiply this, so we get, and from this x greater than or equals to means minus pi by 2 comma minus pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. So in this case, the x is positive, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So it means that's fourth quadrant and first quadrant. So this is minus pi by 2, this is pi by 2. So in this case only x is positive. So from this, so if you multiply this case, first case, so 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 4 and minus pi by 2 less than an x less than pi by 2. So therefore the common reason is close interval 0 comma open pi by 2. Close interval 0 comma open pi by 2. So therefore domain is the largest interval between that answer is between interval f of x is 0 comma pi by 2. Next problem is this is in 2012. Fourth problem. A value of tan inverse of sine of cos inverse of under root 2 by 3 is the value of tan inverse of sine of cos inverse of 2 by 3. So cos inverse of 2 by 3, it means that cos inverse of root 2 by root 3 is equals to theta. Cos theta is equals to root 2 by root 3. From this, sin theta is what? If you using the diagram or Pythagoras theorem. So this is root 2, this one is root 3. So root 3 square minus root 2 square under root. So 3 minus 2. So it become 1. So therefore, sin theta is equals to 1 by root 3. Sin theta is equals to 1 by root 3. So now tan inverse of sine of this can be written as sine inverse of 1 by root 3. So we'll get tan inverse of 1 by root 3. So tan inverse of this can be written as tan pi by 6. So that equals to pi by 6. Simple problem, 2012. Answer is pi by 6. Now for fifth problem. This is 2014. The principal value of tan inverse of cot of 43 pi by 4 is. So we know that principal value branch of tan is minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So given that tan inverse of cot of 43 pi by 4. So tan inverse of cot of 10 pi plus 3 pi by 4. 43 pi by 4 can be written as 10 pi plus 43 pi by 4. So 10 pi means first quadrant will get. So it becomes tan inverse of cot 3 pi by 4. Tan inverse of cot 3 pi by 4. So this can be written as tan inverse of tan pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 4. Tan pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 4. Tan pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 4. So that equals to, so if we simplify this, we get pi by 2 minus 3 by 4 value is minus pi by 4. This belongs to open minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Tan inverse of cot of 43 pi by 4 is pi by 4. So this is pi by 4. This is in 2014 JEE mains problem. Next one is sixth question. The value of x satisfies the equation. The value of x satisfies the equation or satisfying the equation sine of cot inverse of 1 plus x is equals to cos of tan inverse x. This is 2017 is given. 2017 JEE mains question, April online exam. The value of x satisfies the equation sine of cot inverse of 1 plus x is equals to cos of tan inverse x. So given that sine of cot inverse of 1 plus x is equals to cos of tan inverse x by taking right angle triangle for both sides. Cot is adjacent by 1 plus x by x. So then hypotenuse will be 2 plus 2x plus x square. From this information, the right angle triangle will be x by 1, this is square root of 1 plus x square by applying Pythagoras theorem. X lambda. Now convert into sine inverse. Sine inverse of 1 upon square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 is equals to cos inverse of 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. So from this we'll get 1 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 is equals to 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Squaring on both sides and do cross multiplication, we get x square plus 2x plus 2 is equals to x square plus 1. While doing cross multiplication, squaring on both sides. So x square get cancelled. 2x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 by 2. X is equals to minus 1 by 2. Simple problem using triangle properties. This is 2017 JEE Mains question. Now we'll discuss that. Seventh problem. This is 2019. If alpha is equals to cos inverse of 3 by 5, beta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 3, where 0 less than alpha, beta less than pi by 2, then alpha minus beta is equals to so alpha is equals to cos inverse of 3 by 5. From this, cos alpha is equals to 3 by 5. With the help of right angle triangle diagram. So this is 3, this one is 5, now that 4. Sin alpha is equals to 4 by 5. Next. So tan alpha is equals to 4 by 3. Beta is equals to tan inverse of 1 by 3. We need to find that tan beta, right? Sorry, alpha minus beta. So now alpha minus beta is equals to, in terms of tan, is tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus tan inverse of 1 by 3. So that equals to tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by 1 plus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. Here formula is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. This formula is applied. Okay. So from this we can write as tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM 3 by 3, that is 1 by 1 plus 4 by 9. Tan inverse of 9 plus or 13. 13 by 4. It becomes 9 by 13. So the reciprocal it becomes 9 by 13. Then alpha minus beta is tan inverse of 9 by 13. So we have the option only tan inverse of 9 by 13. Tan inverse cos also there. Cos is so convert into cos. So by using right angle triangle, so 9, 13, this will be hypotenuse will be 5 root 10. 5 root 10. So therefore sin inverse of 9 by 5 root 10 is equals to cos inverse of 13 by 5 root 10. So this is the value of alpha minus beta in terms of tan inverse is 9 by 13 and sin and cos is, for sin is sin inverse of 9 by 5 root 10. In terms of cos inverse is 13 by 5 root 10. One 169 minus 81 plus 14 250 2500 25 tens, so 5 root 2 5 root 10 25 hundreds 25 tens are 250, so 5 root 10 is the hypotenuse. So this problem is asked in 2019 April. Simple problem. Next one is the possible value of tan of, this is 2021 8th problem, 2021. Possible value of tan of 1 by 4 sin inverse of root 63 by 8. The possible value of tan of 1 by 4 root 63 by 8. So let 1 by 4 sin inverse of root 60 by 8 is equals to theta. Consider 1 by 4 sin inverse of root 63 by 8 is equals to theta. From this, sin 4 theta is equals to root 63 by 8. Sin 4 theta is equals to root 63 by 8. So cos 4 theta value. So sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So what is cos? So 64 minus 63 will become 1. So from this cos 4 theta or 4 theta is equals to 1 by 8. Now the cos 4 theta can be written as 2 cos square 2 theta. 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 is equals to 1 by 8. Since cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the formula. Cos 2 theta minus 1. So which implies 2 cos square 2 theta is equals to 1 by 8 plus 1, that equals to 9 by 8. So therefore, or which implies equals to 9 by 8. So cos square 2 theta is equals to 9 by 16. From this, cos 2 theta is equals to 3 by 4. Cos 2 theta value is 3 by 4. Again cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equals to 3 by 4. 2 cos square theta is equals to 3 by 4 plus 1. We get 7 by 4. So therefore 2 cos square theta is equals to 7 by 4. Cos square theta is equals to 7 by 8. Therefore cos theta is equals to root 7 by 2 root 2. This is the value of cos theta. Now tan theta is equal to, again if you draw the triangle, tan theta is equals to, so cos is given root 7 by, that is root 8. So squaring on both sides, 1 will get. So therefore tan inverse of 1 by root 7, that equals to 1 by root 7 is the answer. 1 by root 7 is answer. So this one is 2021 from JEE mains question. 2021 JEE mains problem. Now ninth question. Ninth problem. If the domain of the function f of x is equals to cos inverse of under root x square minus x plus 1 by square root of sine inverse 2x minus 1 by 2 in the interval alpha comma beta open close, then alpha plus beta is equals to, like this question is important. Dear friends, like these models are important for JEE mains. It is in the form of open close interval. Then what is alpha beta value? Sum of alpha plus beta value. So we have cos inverse x of square root of x square minus x plus 1 by sin inverse of 2x minus 1 by 2. We know that mine of cos inverse x is minus 1 to 1, but under root it will become greater than 0. So greater than 0 means it lies 0 less than or equals to 0 less than or equals to x square minus x plus 1 less than or equals to 1. So adding minus 1 on both sides, x square minus x less than or equals to 0, which implies x belongs to 0 comma 1. That is, if you take x common, x minus 1 less than or equals to 0. X is 0 and x is equals to 1. 0 to 1. This is numerator domain. Now see the denominator domain. Denominator also under root is there, so it become greater than 0. So 0 less than not equal to sin inverse of 2x minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to pi by 2. Or 1 you can take that. If you take sin, not taken sin inverse, directly you can take as 1. So 0 less than 2x minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1. So from this, 0 is less than 2x minus 1 less than 2. Add plus 1 on both sides. 1 less than 2x less than 3. So now divide by 2. 1 by 2 less than x less than or equals to 3 by 2. So this is the case 1, this case 2, from 1 and 2. The common domain is 0, 1, 1 by 2, here is 3 by 2. So we get that 0 to 1 is less than or equals to, this is closed interval, 1 by 2, this is 1. So this is the common reason. Therefore x belongs to, so what is that x belongs to here? 1 by 2 open, 1 is closed. So 1 by 2 open, 1 is closed. So when you compare the given problem, alpha is equals to 1 by 2 and beta is equals to 1. So therefore alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 is so 3 by 2. So this is the answer. This problem is in 2021. They asked in 2021. Next is 10th problem. This is in 2021 August. 2021. So the domain of the function f of x is equals to sine inverse of 3x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus cos inverse of x minus 1 by x plus 1 is. So domain, concentrating on only domain. Domain is main concentration for when you compare the previous questions. By observing, we get domain based problems are more are there. Domain based problems should be thorough that how to find the domain of the given function. So the domain of the function f of x is equals to sine inverse of 3x square plus x plus 1. We know that sine inverse x is lies between minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 less than or equals to 3x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square less than or equals to 1, and cos inverse also minus 1 less than or equals to minus 1 less than or equals to x minus 1 by x plus 1 less than or equals to 1. Just a minute. Minus 1 less than or equals to 3x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square less than or equals to minus 1. So this is the domain of the functions, both sine inverse x and cos inverse x. If we simplify this, 2x square so 3x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square is less than or equals to 1, which implies 2x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square less than or equals to 0. If you take the factors of numerator, we get 2x minus 1 into x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole square is less than or equals to 0. So we get x is equals to, the values of x is 1 by 2, minus 2, and x not equals to 1. So from this we can write the domain of this function minus 2 comma 1 by 2 close, minus 2 comma 1 by 2 close, should be less than or equals to 0. Now case 2. So this x minus 1 by x plus 1 is less than 1. from this we can add this one. So 2 by x plus 1 is greater than or equals to 0 and x belongs to minus 1 comma infinity open. Second case is x minus 1 by x plus 1 is greater than or equals to minus 1. So from this 2x by x plus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. From this interval we can write as x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 open union 0 to infinity. These are the values lies between x values lies between. If you take the common domain for this, therefore x is equals to, or x belongs to floor bracket 0 union 1 by 4 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Second case, x belongs to, we get minus infinity comma 0 union 1 by 4 comma infinity. So therefore the domain of the function is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2 union 0. This problem is asked in 2021 August. Next, 11th problem. This is 2022. If x star y is equals to, let x star y is equals to x square plus y cube and x star 1 is equals to x star of 1 star 1. The value of 2 sine inverse of x power 4 plus x square minus 2 by x power 4 plus x square plus 2 is. What is the value of x power 4 plus x square minus 2 by x power 4 plus x square plus 2? So sine inverse, we know that sine domain of sine inverse x is minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 less than or equals to x power 4 plus x square minus 2 by x power 4 plus x square plus 2 is less than or equals to 1. Which implies x power 4 plus x square minus 2 by x power 4 plus x square plus 2 is greater than or equals to minus 1 and x power 4 plus x square plus x plus 2. Minus 2 by x power 4 plus x square plus 2 is less than or equals to 1. Before that, some condition is given. X star of y is equals to x square plus y cube. Now x star of 1 is what? X star of 1 is x square plus 1. X star of 1 star 1 is equals to x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1 star 1. So this is x whole square plus 1, that equals to x power 4 plus a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it become 2x square plus 1 plus 1, that is x power 4 plus 2x square plus 2. So this value is equals to x plus 1 star 1. X star of 1 star 1, that equals to, from this we will get x square plus 8. So that equals to x square plus 8. So by simplifying these two, x power 4 plus x square minus 6 is equals to 0. If you take the factors, x square plus 3 into x square minus 2 is equals to 0. From this, x square is equals to 2 and x power 4 is equals to 4. And x value, x square is equals to minus 3, x is equals to square root of minus 3. This not belongs to real number. So the value of x power 4 and x square value. If we substitute those values in tan inverse, 2 sin inverse of x power 4, 4 plus 2 minus 2 by 4 plus 2 plus 2. That is 2 sin inverse of 4 by 8. That is 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. That is 5 by 3. Sorry, 2 sin inverse of sin pi by 6. That equals 2 into pi by 6, which implies pi by 3. Pi by 3 is the answer. By applying condition, we get the x square value and x power 4 value. Directly substitute that is x power 4 and x square value in the given function. We get pi by 3. This problem is asked in 2022. June. Binary based, condition based problems. Next one is 12th problem. This is also 2022. The domain of the function the domain of the function f of x is equals to cos inverse of x square minus 5x plus 6 by x square minus 9 by log of denominator is log of x square minus 3x plus 2 and the numerator is cos inverse of x square minus 5x plus 6 upon x square minus 9. So this is 2022 JEE mains problem. 2022. So we know that cos inverse x domain is minus 1 comma 1. For the numerator, minus 1 less than or equals to x square minus 5x plus 6 by x square minus 9 is less than or equals to 1. From this, x square minus 5x plus 6 upon x square minus 9 minus 1 less than or equals to 0, less than or equals to 0 to get the maximum value, and 1 by x minus 3 or x plus 3 is greater than 0, x not equals to 3. So therefore from this, factors, therefore x belongs to minus 3 comma infinity except 3. To take the minimum value, to find the minimum value of the function, add plus 1 on both sides. So x square minus 5x plus 6 by x square minus 9 plus 1 is greater than or equals to 0, which implies 2x plus 1 by x plus 3. Or if you simplify this one, x square, that is x plus 3 into x plus 2, x plus 3 into x plus 2 factors, so x minus. The factors of numerator is x minus 3 into x minus 2 by x plus 3 into x minus 3 plus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. So get cancel this is. So x minus 3 plus 2. X plus 3 by x plus 3 is greater than 0, which implies 2x plus 1 by x plus 3 is greater than 0. 2x plus 1 by x plus 3 is greater than 0, but x is not equals to 3. X not equals to 3. If you take 3, is not, you won't get that done. It will be undefined. So therefore, and x is equals to minus 1 by 2. So therefore the domain is x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3 union minus 1 by 2 comma infinity minus 3. By taking common reason for these domains, we get x belongs to on denominator is a log. One more case. Now case 3 for denominator. Under root log, denominator log is greater than 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than 0, and x square minus 3x plus 2 is not equals to 1. So for the factors is x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 1 is greater than 0, So therefore x belongs to minus into minus plus, correct only. Yeah. X belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union 2 to infinity is one case. Second case is x square minus 3x minus 1 is not equals to 0. B square minus 4ac. So 9 minus 4ac, 8. So if you take the factors, x is equals to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So then x is not equals to 3 plus r minus root 5 by 2. So therefore the common domain is x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 union 2 to infinity except 3 plus root 5 by 2 comma 3 minus root 5 by 2. So this is the common domain of the function. Common domain of the function. So this problem is asked in 2022. So next one is 2022 13th problem. If the inverse trigonometric function takes the principal values, if the inverse trigonometric functions take the principal value branch values, then cos inverse of 3 by 100 cos of tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus 2 by 5 of sine of tan inverse of 4 by 3. Find the principal value branch of given problem. So tan is given from given that cos inverse of 3 by 10 cos of if we converted into cos, tan is given 4 by 5, 4 by 3. This is 5. So we can write as cos inverse of 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into sine of sine inverse of 4 by 5. So cos inverse of 3 by 10 into 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into 4 by 5. So cos inverse of, so this will be 9 by 50 plus 8 by 25. If you take the LCM, cos inverse of 50 is the LCM, 9 plus 16, So cos inverse of 25 by 50, that is cos inverse of 1 by 2, that is cos inverse of cos pi by 3. So 60 degree is equals to pi by 3. 0 comma pi. 0 comma pi. Simple question. This is asked in 2022. This problem is asked in 2022. 2022. Fourteenth problem. 2022. The domain of the function. The domain of the function cos inverse of 2 sin inverse of 1 upon 4x square minus 1 by pi is. This is asked 2022 JEE mains question. We know that cos inverse is lies between minus 1 comma minus 1. The domain is minus 1 comma minus 1. So minus 1 less than or equals to 2 sin inverse of 1 by 4x square minus 1 by pi less than or equals to 1. If you multiply pi on both sides, pi by 2 by pi, so it becomes pi by 2. So it becomes minus pi by 2 less than or equals to sin inverse of 1 upon 4x square minus 1 less than or equals to pi by 2. By applying sin inverse, so we get minus 1 less than or equals to 1 upon 4x square minus 1 less than or equals to 1. So which implies minus 1 less than or equals to 1 by 4x square minus 1, or we can take as this 1 upon 4x square minus 1 greater than or equals to 0, less than or equals to 0. And 1 by 4x square minus 1 plus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. So 1 minus 4x square plus 1 is less than 0. 2 minus 4x square is less than or equals to 0. From this we get x value minus minus 4x square is less than or equals to minus 2. 4x square is greater than or equals to 2. X square is greater than or equals to 1 by 2. Then x is greater than or equals to 1 by root 2. Plus or minus. In second case, 1 plus 4x square minus 1 greater than or equals to 0. 4x square is greater than 0. X square is greater than 0. Or x is greater than 0. So therefore the common reason is x belongs to, here x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 by 2 union 1 by 2 to infinity. So minus infinity comma minus 1 by 2 close union 1 by root 2 sorry 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 comma infinity union 0. This is the domain of the given function. Now the domain of the function, principal value of the inverse trigonometric function f of x is equals to cos inverse of, this is 2022 number is 15th problem. The domain of the function f of x is equals to cos inverse of x square minus 4x plus 2 by x square plus 3 is, so this is 2022 July 28th is given. Domain of the function, so we need to find the domain same. So we know that cos inverse x domain is minus 1 comma 1, or mod x is less than or equal to 1. You can take as mod x is mod x square minus 4x plus 2 by x square plus 3 is less than or equals to 1. Is less than or equals to 1. From this, x square minus 4x plus 2 whole square less than or equals to x square plus 3 whole square, which implies x square minus 4x plus 2 whole square minus x square plus 3 whole square is less than or equals to 0. Now a square minus b square, it is a form of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b. So x square minus 4x plus 2 plus x square plus 3 into x square minus 4x plus 2 minus x square minus 3 is less than or equals to 0, which implies 2x square minus 4x plus 5 into, so x square get cancelled, minus 4x minus 1 is less than or equals to 0. So from this, minus 4x minus 1 less than or equals to 0, x is greater than or equals to minus 1 by 4. If you take this value is equals to 0, 4x plus 5 is less than or equals to 0, 10 factors, so minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, b square minus 4ac value. Just to need to check that b square minus 4ac value. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. So b square is 16 minus 4 into a is what? 2 into 5. So 16 minus 40. So this is not belongs to real number. So we'll get only x value. X is greater than minus 1 by 4. So therefore the domain is minus 1 by 4 comma infinity. So x belongs to minus 1 by 4 comma infinity. So this is the domain of the given problem. The domain of f of x is minus 1 by 4 comma infinity. Similarly, this problem is asked in 2022. Now, 16th problem, again same domain of the function. F of x is equals to, find the domain of the function, sine inverse of x square minus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 2x plus 7. And to find the domain of the function. We know that sine inverse x lies between minus 1 comma 1. Sine inverse x is minus 1 comma 1. The domain of sine inverse x is minus 1 comma 1. So therefore, so minus 1 less than or equals to x square minus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 2x plus 7 less than or equals to 1. So from this we can write as x square minus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 2x plus 7 minus 1 less than or equals to 0 and x square minus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 2x plus 7 plus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 minus x square minus 2x minus 7 less than or equals to 0. X square cancel. Minus 5x minus 5 less than or equals to 0. So minus 5x is less than or equals to 5. X is less than or equals to minus 1. From the first case, last one greater than, dividing by minus will get greater than. So x is greater than or equals to minus 1. On second case, x square minus 3x plus 2 plus x square plus 2x plus 7 is greater than or equals to 0. So 2x square minus x plus 9 is greater than or equals to 0. This is for all x belongs to R. X belongs to R. 9 2 is 8, For all values of x belongs to R. So therefore the domain is, common domain is, domain of the function f is equals to, so minus 1 comma x belongs to minus 1 comma infinity. Minus 1 comma infinity. Minus 1 greater than x. So the domain of the function f of x is equals to minus 1 comma infinity, minus 1 close and infinity open. So this problem is asked 2022. Now 2023. So number 17, 2023. 2023, January 24th. What is given? The tan inverse of 1 plus root 3 by 3 plus root 3 plus secant inverse of 8 plus 4 root 3 by 6 plus 3 root 3 whole root is equals to, what is the value of this function? So tan inverse of 1 plus root 3, if you take root 3 common, we get 1 plus root 3 plus secant inverse of under root 2 root 2. You can make the separate numerator denominator root. This is a root of 8 plus 4 root 3 by 6 plus 3 root 3. So tan inverse of 1 by root 3, this to get cancelled, plus secant inverse of, so root 8 plus 4 root 3 can be written as, root 8 is 2 root 3, if we take 2 common, 2 plus 2 under root of 2 plus root 3. If you take 4 outside, even denominator also, square root of 6 plus 3 root 3 can be written as, if you take root 3 common, root 3 into root 2, square root of 2 plus root 3. So we get cancelled, 2 by root 3 will get 2 by root 3. So that equals to tan inverse of tan pi by 6, 30 degree, plus secant inverse of secant pi by 6, secant pi by 6, that equals to pi by 6 plus pi by 6, that is pi by 3. This is 2023, January 27th. January 27th, 2023. Simple problem. Now we'll go for 18th question. The domain of the function log of 6x square plus 5x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 plus cos inverse of 2x square minus 3x plus 4 by 3x minus 5 is alpha comma beta union gamma comma delta close. Then 18 times of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is, what is the value of this? We know that log x base c is log x base c, x is always greater than 0. Greater than 0. Log x base c, x is greater than 0. It means 6x square plus 5x plus by 1 by 2x minus 1 is greater than 0. If you take the factors of this numerator, we get 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 is greater than 0. So if equating 0, we get x is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This is for the denominator is 1 by 2. Numerator is minus 1 by 2. These are the three values. So plus, minus, greater than 0, increasing. So therefore x belongs to greater than 0 means only positive. So minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 3 union 1 by 2 comma infinity. So this is the domain of the first case. Greater than 0. Now we know that cos inverse x domain is minus 1 comma 1. So therefore minus 1 less than or equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 4 upon 3x minus 5 is less than or equals to 1. Less than or equals to 1. So 2x square minus 3x plus 4 by 3x minus 5 plus 1 is greater than or equals to 0, or around 2x square minus 3x plus 4 by 3x minus 5 is minus 1 less than or equals to 0. From these 2x square minus 3x plus 4 plus 3x minus 5 is greater than 0. 2x square minus 3x plus 4, if you take LCM, minus 3x plus 5 is less than 0. So plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. So 2x square minus 1 is greater than 0. 2x square is greater than 1. X square is greater than or equals to 1 by 2. Then x is greater than or equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2. For the second case, 2x square minus 6x plus 9 is less than or equals to 0. If you find the factors, so 9 to 18. Six threes are no. 3 threes are. This for x belongs to all real numbers, and denominator is 3x. X is equals to 5 by 3. The number line is minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 5 by 3. So plus, minus, plus, minus. So less than. So therefore x belongs to minus 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 first case union 5 by 3 to infinity, and x is less than 5 by 3. So therefore the common intersection is domain is x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 union, common reason for the both the graphs, union 1 by 2 comma 1 by root 2. So this is the domain of the given function. This is a close. So when you compare this, alpha is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2, beta is equals to 1 by 3, gamma is equals to 1 by 2, and delta is equals to 1 by root 2. So 18 times of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is equals to 18 times of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. That is 18 times of, if you take LCM, 36. So 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 18, 36, 40. So 18 into 40 by 36, 18 ones are 18 twos are 2 ones are 2 20s are. So answer is 20. 20 is the answer. Now 19th problem. This is 2023. Again domain based problem. (2023) domain based. If the domain of the function f of x is equals to secant inverse of 2x by 5x plus 3 is close interval alpha comma beta open union gamma comma delta close. Then mod 3 alpha plus 10 into beta plus gamma plus 21 into delta is, this is 2023 April 10th. We know that secant inverse x domain is mod x is greater than or equal to 1. So it means mod 2x by 5x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 1, which implies mod 2x is greater than or equal to mod 5x plus 3, which implies 2x whole square minus 5x plus 3 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. So now it is the form of a plus b into a minus b. So 2x plus 5x plus 3 into 2x minus 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. From this 7x plus 3 and minus 3x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So we get x value is minus 3 by 7 and x is equal to, so 3 1 minus 1. And denominator is x is equal to minus 3 by 2 not equal to 3 by 5. So therefore the number line is minus 1 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 7. So this will be minus plus minus This is also plus. This will be minus. Between values, substitute that, we will get C. So therefore, the domain is greater than domain. Domain is minus 1 comma minus 3 by 5 union open intervals union minus 3 by 5 comma minus 3 by 7 close. So therefore, from this alpha is equals to minus 1, beta is equals to minus 3 by 5, gamma is equals to minus 3 by 5, delta is equals to minus 3 by 7. We have the problem mod 3 into alpha minus 1 plus 10 times of minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 plus 21 times of minus 3 by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes mod minus 3 plus for the calcium. So minus 6 by 10 into minus 6 by 5 minus 9 mod 5 ones are 5 twos are. So mod minus 3 minus 12 minus 9, that equals to mod 24. So that equals to 24 is the value of the even 24. Simple problem, domain based problem. So maximum from the inverse trigonometry you are getting domain based problems only. So be thorough that domain based problems to find the domain and range. Next 20th problem. This is 2021. Sorry, 23. Same sin inverse x. The domain of the function 2023. The domain of the function f of x is equals to log of 4x square plus 11x plus 6 base c plus sin inverse of 4x plus 3 plus cos inverse of 10x plus 6 by 3 is alpha open beta close. Then 36 times of alpha plus beta is 36 times of alpha plus beta is. This is 2023 April 15th shift problem. Log x is always greater than or equals to 0. It means 4x square plus 11x plus 6 is greater than 0. If you find the factors, so 8 3 is 8 3 is so 4x square plus 8x plus 3x plus 6 greater than 0 will become, if you take 4x common, x plus 2 plus 3 common, x plus 2 greater than 0. So factors are 4x plus 3 into x plus 2 greater than 0. For this x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 union 3 by 4 comma minus 3 by 4 comma infinity. X minus 2 less than x plus 2 less than 0, x is less than minus 2, 4x plus 3 is greater than 0, 4x is greater than minus 3, x is greater than minus 3 by 4. The second case, we know that mod minus 1 is less than or equals to 4x plus 3 less than or equals to 1. So adding plus 3, 2 less than or equals to 4x less than or equals to 4. Sorry, subtracting minus 3, we'll get minus 4. This will be minus 2. If we subtract minus 3, this will be minus 4 less than or equals to 4x less than or equals to minus 2. So now divide by 4, 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So from this x belongs to minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2. Now case 3, third one is minus 1 less than or equals to 10x plus 6 by 3 less than or equals to 1. If we multiply 3, minus 3 less than or equals to 10x plus 6 less than or equals to 3, adding, subtracting plus 6, subtracting 6 on both sides, we'll get minus 9 less than or equals to 10x less than or equals to minus 6. So now divide by 10, minus 9 by 10 less than or equals to x less than or equals to minus 6 by 10. This will be 3 by 5. Therefore, x belongs to minus 9 by 10 comma minus 3 by 5. Now the common reason is minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5 9 by 10. Minus 3 by 4 greater than minus 3 by 4 greater and minus 1 comma 1 by 2, minus 1 comma 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay, next to minus 9 by comma 3 by 2. So therefore x belongs to minus 3 by 4 comma minus 1 by 2. So therefore alpha is equals to minus 3 by 4, beta is equals to minus 1 by 2. So 36 times of alpha plus beta. Minus 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 2. 36 times of, so 5 by 2. 36 times of 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4 nines are. So answer is 45. Answer is 45. This is 2023 JEE mains question. 20th problem completed. Now we have a range based problem. 21. The range of the function, this is 2023. The range of the function f of x is equal to 4 times of sin inverse of x square by x square plus 1. So this is range based problem. We know the range of sin inverse x is minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. It would be greater than this. So 0 less than or equals to x square by x square plus 1 less than or equals to 1. If we take sin inverse on both sides, so 0 less than or equals to sin inverse of x square by x square plus 1 less than or equals to pi by 2, less than pi by 2, not less than, sorry, less than pi by 2, less than pi by 2, multiply 4, so 0 less than or equals to 4 times of sin inverse of x square by x square plus 1 less than 2 pi. So therefore 0 less than f of x is less than 2 pi. So therefore the range is 0 comma 2 pi open, 0 comma 2 pi. Next problem is 22 2024 JEE mains question. The domain of the function f of x is equals to sin inverse of x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 is r minus alpha comma beta, then 12 alpha beta is equals to domain of the function sin inverse of x minus 1 by 2x plus 3. So denominator is not equals to 0. So that is 2x plus 3 is not equals to 0. X is not equals to minus 3 by 2. And we know that minus 1 less than or equals to x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 less than or equals to 1. So x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 is minus 1 less than or equals to 0. X minus 1 by 2x plus 3 plus 1 is greater than equals to 0. X minus 1 minus 2x minus 3 is less than or equals to 0. From this, minus x minus 4 is less than or equals to 0. Minus x is less than or equals to 4. X less than or equals to minus 4. X plus 1 plus, sorry, x minus 1 plus 2x plus 3 is greater than or equals to 0. 3x minus 2 is greater than or equals to 0. 3x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 by 3. So now x is greater than 2 by 3. This is minus 4. This is 2 by 3. Oh, sorry, plus, this is plus, this is minus, minus. So minus 2 by 3. to infinity. This is minus infinity. So from this we'll get x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 4 union minus 2 by 3 comma infinity. Infinity. So then alpha is equals to minus 4, beta is equals to minus 2 by 3. Therefore 12 alpha beta is equals to 12 into minus 4 into minus 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours. So 32. 32 is the answer. This is 2024 JEE mains question. 2024 April 9th. 2024 April 9th JEE main question. Next problem is 2024 January 30th. 23. The domain of the function, if the domain of the function f of x is equals to cos inverse of 2 minus mod x by 4 plus log of 3 minus x whole power minus 1 bc is close interval minus alpha comma beta open minus gamma, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is so given cos inverse x is given, so domain is minus 1 comma minus 1 less than or equals to 2 minus mod x by 4 less than or equals to 1. From this we can write as mod 2 minus mod x by 4 is less than or equals to 1. Minus 4 less than or equals to 2 minus mod x less than or equals to 4. If we added plus 2, it will become minus 2 plus 2 is there, minus 2 will become minus 6 less than or equals to mod x less than or equals to 2. So this now we get minus 2 less than or equals to mod x less than or equals to 6. So therefore mod x less than or equals to 6. Mod x is less than or equals to 6. Therefore x belongs to minus 6 comma 6. Minus 6 comma 6. From case 2, 1 by 3 minus x is greater than 0 and 3 minus x is not equals to 1. So minus x is not equals to minus 2, x is not equals to 2. X is not equals to 2. So 3 minus x is greater than 0 and x is less than 3. This is one case. So therefore the common reason is x is 3 and 2 minus 6, 6. 3 less than means like this and x not equals to x is not. So therefore the common reason is So therefore x belongs to minus 6 to 3 open, minus 2. Therefore alpha is equals to minus 6, alpha is equals to 6, beta is equals to 3, and gamma is equals to 2. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 6 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 11. This is the JEE Mains 2024. JEE Mains 2024, January 30th, January 13th. That's for JEE Mains question. This is 2020. Next one is 24. All the best. Thank you. For more updates, subscribe Maths 369 YouTube channel. Thank you.